Hello everyone, my name is Nida Hanifah Kumar and my student ID 23015996. What is an adverb clause? An adverb clause is a dependent clause that modifies or describes a verb, an adjective, an other verb. This clause answers questions like when, where, why, how, to that extent, or other that conjunction. Structurally, an adverb clause always starts with a subordinating conjunction. I will now explain the difference between several subordinating conjunctions and provide my example sentence. First, comparing after and on as soon as would deal with me, but once and as soon is simply independency. My explains are they left the room after the presentation concluded, and once you log into the system, you will see your account details. Next, when and whenever. When survives to us specific single time, when, whenever, suggests an action and any time or repeatedly. Example, I was only 5 years old when my family moved to the city, and you can call me whenever you need urgent help. Finally, when and my the time. When so simulation action, by the time it illustrates a action is finished when the next on action. Example, the legs tornadoed off when the stone start, and by the time she arrived at the bakery, all the fresh bread is sold out. Continue with the final parts of conjunction. Comparing because the that, know that, because that is a direct relation. Will know that introduction announce states or circumstance and duration. Example, the event was cancelled because the venue was double booked. And know that the sun is setting, I will get cooler. The last fire is ever thought and even if. Even thought reference to a contrast with a fact. Even if reference a contrast, this is a hypothetical conjunction. Example, that finished the rats even thought they were completely exhausted, and we will go camping when if it snow in weekend. What is a adjective clause? An adjective clause is a group of words that has a subject and a verb, and I motives or subscribes a noun or pronoun, just like a single adjective does. The clause always starts with a relative pronoun or a relative verb. Now, I will explain the function of the relative pronouns along with their example sentence. Who function as the subject of the clause and reference a person. Example, the sins of who was covered the car is here. Whom function as the object of the clause and reference to a person. Example, the winter warm to you at from visit the school, which is a subject or object that reference to things or animal. Example, the phone with a cracked screen still works. What is the subject or sub-object and preference of person, things, or animal? Example, I bought the book that you recommended. was one possession. Example, the helper the student was paper was lost. Next are the relative verbs where, when, and why. Where motives a noun, a place. Example, the park where we first meet in closet now. When motives a noun of time. Example, Saturday is the day when I feel most relaxed. Why motives the noun, reason. Example, I don't know the reason why she resigned. My final explanation covers essential and non-essential clause. An essential clause provides information necessary in identifying the noun. If removed, the meaning becomes ambiguous. It never set off becomes. Example, people who exercise regularly tend to be healthier. A non-essential clause profit extra. Descriptive information that are not consocial to the core meaning. It is always separated by commas. Example, my cousin, who is a baker, won a choking competition. Thank you for your time and attention.